In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up site search in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll have site search tracking enabled so you can see what people are actually looking for on your website, which is incredibly useful for improving your content, navigation, and overall user experience. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Analytics 4 property in your browser. You should already be on the main reporting screen where you normally see your traffic and engagement reports. From here, we're going to move into the settings area so we can turn on site search. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the admin option. This is where all the core configuration for your GA4 property lives. Inside the admin section, focus on the middle column, usually labeled something like data collection and modification. Within this area, click on data streams. Data streams are the sources that send data into your property, such as your website or mobile app. On the data streams page, you'll see a list of streams connected to this property. Identify the web data stream that corresponds to your website. It will typically show your website URL and have a web icon. Click on this web stream to open its settings. This is where you control various tracking features that GA4 can capture automatically. Once the web stream panel is open, look for the section labeled Enhanced Measurement. Enhanced Measurement is a built-in feature that automatically tracks common interactions such as page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and importantly for us, site search. First, make sure the main Enhanced Measurement toggle is turned on. If it's off, click it to switch it on. Without this, none of the detailed interactions, including site search, will be recorded. Next, within the Enhanced Measurement section, you'll see a small gear icon or settings icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a more detailed configuration panel where you can fine-tune which automatic events you want Google Analytics to capture. In this settings panel, scroll through the options until you find site search. This is the setting that tells GA4 to automatically detect when users perform a search on your site and to log those searches as events. Make sure the site search toggle is turned on. If you see it switched off, click it to enable it. In many cases, GA4 can automatically recognize common search parameter patterns in your URL, so you don't have to do any extra technical setup here. However, it's a good practice to quickly check how your website's internal search works. Perform a test search on your site in a separate tab and look at the URL. If you see something like QR search term or a sec search term, that means your search uses a query parameter, which GA4 can usually detect. As long as the site search toggle is on, GA4 will begin capturing these searches as people use your site. Once you've confirmed the toggle is enabled, you can close the settings panel. There's no separate save button for this section. Your changes are applied automatically. From this point forward, as visitors use your site's internal search box, those search terms will start flowing into Google Analytics 4 as events. To wrap up, you went into the admin area, opened your web data stream, enabled Enhanced Measurement if it wasn't already on, opened the settings via the gear icon, and switched on site search. After some traffic comes through, you'll be able to explore these search terms in your GA4 reports, giving you valuable insight into what your audience is trying to find on your site.